コースさせてほしいますよ。
3、2、1、よいしょ、よいしょ、よいしょ。
乾杯! Everybody for friendship and Sushi Day.
Today I'm going to show you bluefin tuna otoro. Then first cut and slice it, and then pick up the small amount of the rice and press a little bit and make it not gentle, but very gentle. Press it, close it, and then a little bit press again. Then fold down and fold it. Okay, and fold it. And this is onigiri sushi.
The nori sheet has a side. The shiny side is the front side. The rough one is the back side. Today we prepared two kinds of filling. One is salmon. The other is avocado. And roll from the bottom side from this. And roll, and now
Sushi ice cream.